Well, today is the day to visit Saguaro National Park. As you can see, it is raining for only the third time on my trip, but we'll make the best of it. It's not supposed to last all day, so we'll make the best of this, even with the rain. Since it's raining today, I decided to stop at the Sonoran Desert Museum, and so I'm going to see some of the exhibits here, and hopefully it'll clear out later to visit the national park. I've enjoyed my visit here to the Sonoran Desert Museum. It's really more of a botanical garden and a zoo than a museum. They do have some inside exhibits, so I would suggest coming on a pleasant day, not in the rain, so more of the animals are out, but not a super hot day because it would be quite hot out here. But beautiful gardens, walking the trails, and seeing exhibits on nature and ecology of the Sonoran Desert. Highly recommended. The Desert Discovery Trail is a nature trail that is paved. And I believe because it is paved, you can bring your dog with you on a leash. It's a short trail, so it won't take you too long, but it gives you a good introduction to the desert landscape and the variety of plants. And there are signboards to give you a little education along the way. Well worth the stop and the brief walk. Hook'em Road, part of the Bahada Loop Drive. I suggest you do it counterclockwise, as there's one part that is one way. And it is a dirt road with some washboard, but not too bad. Valley View Trail is a nice trail through a wide variety of plant life. Some ups and downs, but very pleasant with some interpretive signage. The Signal Hill trailhead and picnic area is a wonderful place to stop and have lunch. The ramadas are really interesting because they have cactus bones on the structures. And the picnic tables are kind of Freddie Flintstone kind of looking stone tables. Pretty cool. In this area there's bathrooms, picnic areas, grates, no water available, but there are some trash cans. And it's about a half-mile round-trip hike to visit Signal Hill, which is where we're going next, to see some petroglyphs and rock art. The picnic ramadas were built by the Civilian Conservation Corps, CCC. I'm always interested to see the different structures that these young men made for that wonderful project.